AI is creating jobs nobody is talking about. Every day, people talk about the jobs AI will destroy, but almost nobody talks about the jobs AI is creating. And some of these new jobs didn't even exist a few years ago. When the internet appeared, new careers emerged. Web designers, digital marketers, content creators, social media managers. The same thing is happening with artificial intelligence. The difference is that it's happening much faster. Most people think AI will replace humans, but history shows something different. Technology usually eliminates certain tasks, not all jobs, and when tasks disappear, new opportunities emerge. One of the fastest growing opportunities is AI implementation. Most businesses know AI is important, but they have no idea how to use it. They don't need AI engineers. They need people who can identify problems and implement solutions. Another emerging role is AI content production. Companies need videos, articles, ads, training material, and they need people who know how to use AI tools efficiently. Prompt engineering was one of the first AI jobs people talked about, but the real opportunity isn't writing prompts. It's understanding business problems and using AI to solve them. Another growing area is AI automation. Many businesses still waste hours on repetitive tasks, emails, reports, scheduling, customer support. People who can automate these systems are becoming increasingly valuable. There is also a growing demand for AI trainers. AI systems need feedback, testing, evaluation, human judgment. As AI becomes more powerful, human oversight becomes more important. The biggest mistake people make is focusing only on the technology. The winners focus on outcomes. Businesses don't pay for AI, they pay for results. More sales, more efficiency, more customers, less wasted time. The people who understand this difference will have a massive advantage. The future doesn't belong to the people who know the most AI tools. It belongs to the people who know how to create value with them. Because at the end of the day, technology changes, but value remains, and that's where the biggest opportunities are hiding. Welcome to NeuroMint. Understand where money is moving before everyone else.